Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today in today's newspaper on Friday, April the 1st, 2022. In this additional, I have already done two puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary. And it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. But this Tectonic will be number. Let me see which number it will be. Number. Let me see. Oh. Well, need to correct this. Okay, zoom in. Yes. All right. This will be number 4348. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 10 printed digits. Could be a hard one. Could be an easy one. The Tectonic with 4 stars, with 8, 9, 10, 11 printed digits are always hard ones. So I'm expecting a lot of this Tectonic. So let's get started. By the way, for 4 stars puzzle, my time limit 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Okay, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here single box, there's single box. It's always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual box? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes? I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box, this is this box. Inside box near the middle box, this box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Triple box, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? We see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be here 2 boxes left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, yeah. When you see the T shape. Oh, apologies. Okay, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box is always the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. The T shape. Only one T shape. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright, when you see the L shape, it's mirrored, the L shape here. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has always the same number as that box. Do we have more L shape? Here. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, here, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box, and another one here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more? No. No. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Here, let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one in this puzzle. Then the following shape. I think this one is the last one. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes or figures, structures or constructions. But there are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. This puzzle has 5. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 5. So the other pair should be the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be there. And 3 goes here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Well, this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes here. Alright, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and 3, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 3. But it cannot be a 1 anymore because we already have a 1 here. So it should be a 3. Okay. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 1, 2. 2. Okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes, wait. Well, this box can be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay. Well, I've marked this box, the inside box of the triple box with the 4 and the 5. Now we have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. It should be a 5. Okay. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. And that box is connected with this box, so it should be also a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. One box left in this area for number 4. Okay. Then, let me see. Well, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1 and a 3. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 and a 1 and left. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Okay, these two boxes can be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. Yeah. 5. Well, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then, let me see. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. I'm thinking. Yeah. 1, 2, 4, 3, and a 5. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 4, and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be here. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This is the hard part, Well, need to think logical, Think. 3, 4, 4, 4. Well, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 5, 4, 2 or 3. This box 2 or 3. The 1. Hard part. Let me think. 5, 1. This box can be a 2. Can it be a 1, 2, 4? So could be 3 or 5 here. Well, okay, this box is very important. Why? Because it cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. And I need a 1 in this W area shape. But that box can also not be a 1. Okay, so it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. No, it can also not be a 2 because I need also a 2 in this W area shape. If I place a 2 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. And that box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2, it cannot be here. Cannot be a 4. 1, 2, and a 4. So it's 3 or 5. 3 or 5. Well, if I place the 3 here, then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. And I need a 3 in this area. So the only option is the 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 number left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for numbers 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. A lot of thinking. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. Weekend, Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.